One mother has spoken out about the dangers of children consuming sugar during a debate on Good Morning Britain about obesity. Nutritionist Tonia Buxton appeared on the show on Friday morning where she revealed that her own children were banned from eating sugary foods. She went on to say that they weren't even allowed to enjoy a slice of birthday cake at a party. The mother of four argued that sweets are as addictive as cocaine and would only leave youngsters craving another hit. She said sugar has the same effect on the brain as cocaine. It's a hit, and once children have it, they go crazy, they're running around. Then they come down and they want more. You're better off not having any and then having something that's better for you. Tonia argued that in today's society people no longer need to eat sugary foods to survive, as there were so many other healthy options. She then brought out a cake made of courgette and cardamom as an example of the kind of alternative treat she allows her children to tuck into. Parenting expert Amanda Jenner appeared alongside Tonia on the show. She disagreed with the nutritionist's opinions, saying that in moderation the odd sugary food was fine for kids. The televised debate followed the news that 1 in 10 parents don't let their children have birthday cake at parties to prevent them from becoming overweight. GMB viewers were incensed by Tonia's comments and took to Twitter to share their own thoughts. Read more advice for parents once said, "OMG, really? This is getting stupid. How about sweets? Go back to being a treat like it was when I grew up and not an everyday diet. That's the excitement of going to a party as a kid, the cake and sweets, didn't have them every day at home." Another wrote, "Doe got heard it all now with this woman. Leave people be to parent their own children. Have a cake and enjoy life. God, if that was my mother. What a boring woman." What are your thoughts on the topic? Let us know in the comments below.